Hello friends. Welcome to Tech Community. Formulas throw invalid reference. There's a problem with this reference. This file can only have formulas that reference cells within a worksheet size of 256 columns, column IW or lower, or 65,536 rows. Last week, in my office, one of my colleagues faced this problem when he used lookup formula. Then he discusses with me also don't know any solution for this problem at that time. After searching in internet, I got a solution. That one we can discuss in this video. The reason for this error is this Excel working on a compatibility mode and extension with .xls file. If you switch to work in a .xlsx file, it might just work. For changing extension, save as the Excel file and change save as type .xlsx. Then try lookup formula again. The same error showing again. Because this file should be closed and open, then try it will work. Please support our community to improve our skills in Excel. Thank you.